What's up, Mopar fans? So it's a beautiful Sunday morning and I decided to do something I've been putting off forever. Trying to put some LED overhead lights in Frostbite. And let me tell you something. What I thought was going to be very simple turned to be a pain in the ass. So anyway, I come up with a little trick to help you guys out, and some pointers on replacing what should be little easy light bulbs. But yeah, this works out really good, guys, so let's get started. Alright, so here's the two that we're trying to start with right now. I've already done the driver's side. As you can see, I don't know if it shows up on the camera good, but it's a blue LED versus the stock just white light bulb, or more like yellow. So yeah, let's get this one. So the first thing, guys, to get this out, to get these lenses off is actually very easy, but a lot of people, it's breaking them. So what you want to do is get a small thin screwdriver, flathead, or something, you know, plastic, whatever, and you want to pry towards the back, so towards your windshield. All right, and the reason is right here is a tab, and if you pry up front around this tab area, you're actually going to break the lens and you're going to have to go to the dealer and get another one. So you want to pry the back out, because that's where the hinges are and that's where it actually pops out at. So if you go like from the side here towards the back area, you'll see it pops out. Fairly simple. I'm trying to do it one-handed. I'm gonna have to come on this side and do it. There we go. So bam. So here's the front. See that little plastic tab? That's what keeps the lens from falling out in the front. So if you pry in the front, you're gonna break this off and your lens is gonna just sit there and hang down and be looking like a trash can. So pry from the back and you'll see that's where those hinges are. That's where it's designed to be popped out at. And then your bulb is just sitting right there. So yeah, you're probably like, well, how hard can it be to put in a freaking light bulb, right? Well, problem is this area is very small and I don't have big fingers, but I can barely grab that light bulb to pull it out. And matter of fact, this one's being a pain just like the other one was. I'm squeezing the crap out of it and pulling, and I cannot pull it out. You just can't get a good enough grip on it. So yeah, you can grab some pliers and pull on it, and you might get lucky and not break the light bulb and get glass everywhere. But let me show you something that works really good. So there it is. I already know what you guys are saying. Frostbite Ram, what the hell? Is that a zip tie? Yes, that is a zip tie, guys. You could probably do it with string. So if you get yourself a small zip tie and lasso it around, focus. Lasso it around the light bulb, and you'll have this extra tab here to pull. Camera's not wanting to focus. There we go. You'll have this extra pull tab right here to grab a hold of with some pliers, and you'll be able to jerk that light bulb out without breaking it and getting glass everywhere and or cutting the crap out of your fingers. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and lasso this zip tie around the bulb that's up there right now, and then we'll pull it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this wrapped around the light bulb real quick. So I'm gonna pause the camera for a second because it is gonna take both my hands. So hang on one second. All right, so you can see we have the zip tie wrapped around the light bulb up here already. And I'm gonna grab a hold of the extra tab with my pliers, and we're gonna start pulling. And bam, just like pulling out a tooth, guys, comes right out. Doesn't hurt anything, doesn't damage anything. It's pretty cool, man. So hopefully this video will help you guys out with what should be pretty easy. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's the ones that I'm putting in. My buddy JJ actually gave them to me. I believe he got them on Amazon. Honestly, I would tell you the part number, but there's not even a number on these things. But they are very bright. They're very blue. I'm sure you can get them in any color you want. But the point of the video was showing you how to get the stock ones out. So the zip tie mod does work pretty good. You could probably use some string or a piece of rope or probably fishing line or anything to make the same concept. But it's definitely hard to get a hold of those bulbs with your fingers because of the room you got in there. You can't really get deep enough on it to pull it out. And obviously pliers, you know, you might get it out, but you might actually break the glass and get glass everywhere. And then if you break the glass, there's not much to grab after that. So, you know, you're really into a pain in the butt trying to get the rest of it out. So, but yeah, I hope that video helps you guys out. So as always, guys, stay safe out there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.